Hey you guys, it's your local frag girl Cara. I have here a new niche fragrance for me to unbox and do a first impression. So this fragrance is dun, 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 Atelier des Ors Lune Feline Extrait. Everything. So let's unbox it now. And the grand reveal. Oh my gosh. Hello! Look at that presentation and all of that gold flecks, you guys. Okay, so the main accords of this fragrance are amber, warm, spicy, balsamic, vanilla, and woody. The main notes are Tahitian vanilla, cardamom, pear balsam, ambergris, styrax, pink pepper, cinnamon, cedarwood, and musk. So before I spray this, I actually smelled the not extrait or the EDP version of this fragrance. So let me know down below if you want me to compare the two. So let's give it a try. Ooh, this one is a spicy vanilla. I'm guessing this is from the cardamom. It has that oily facets to it. And also, the vanilla here is not the gourmand type of vanilla, but it's a bit savory to my nose. It has that salty quality to it, and I'm guessing that's from the ambergris as well. I can get hints of that cinnamon. Yeah, it's a nice vanilla. Let's spray this to my skin. Ooh. The pear balsam, or that oily facet to it, is much more pronounced on skin than on paper. This is such a good vanilla, you guys. Again, this is a spicy vanilla. It's not a good blind buy if you don't like spicy fragrances. I get that warmth, I get that vanilla, I get that ambergris, that cinnamon also. On skin, it really became an oily, not in a bad way, but oily, vanilla, spicy, cinnamon, and a bit woody. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next fragrance review, you guys.